morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. I welcome you all to this wonderful training. I welcome you to this basic step-by-step way of creating animations. It's even if you're a beginner, even if you've never known anything about it, you're a beginner, you can do it seriously because I'm ready to take you on that tour. Just sit back, relax. You'll be able to achieve that pro max you always want to achieve. Okay, you will achieve. As time goes on, I'll be always dropping in the free tutorials. Just don't be in a haste to leave the group. Every month I'll be dropping more and more free tutorials. And apart from the free tutorials, please, I'll let you know there will also be paid tutorials. We also have paid classes every month, as well as free classes. All right, for today we are starting it basically as beginners. You just go to Play Store and download this application, InShot. This InShot application you're seeing here. Yeah, that's it. InShot. So you go to your Play Store, you can see it and download. That's the logo. So after you've downloaded it, I prefer this InShot for now for beginners because it's not complicating like most applications. But as you continue to be here under my coach and we go on in this journey, I will still introduce other applications and why you can now use the other applications, what you can use them to achieve that you might not be able to use InShot to achieve. All right, so let's forge ahead. After you've downloaded it, just open it. Okay, here we are. This is how the application looks like when you open it. It actually have the pro version, the light version also. I think this one is already the pro version. I think I have already pro maxed it in the premium version. I've already done it. All right, you just go ahead. Maybe you can see this video photo collage. Video photo collage. What we are going to be doing is the video. With time, we will enter this photo and collage. Don't worry about that. Maybe in our next paid class, next free classes, we will enter this other way. But today, like I said, is for basic animations. So we are going to click on this video. We are going to click on the video. You can see that. Click on it and here is where it will take you. You can see I have videos I've already done. I didn't name them. If I name them, the name will appear by the side of each video. The name will appear there. But I didn't name them. And I have 26 other drafts. You can see. That means altogether I have already 29 drafts here. Those are videos I've created. I didn't delete the drafts. I kept them for future reference. I can still edit and redo anything. So right now we are going straight to new. Straight to clicking on this new. I click on it and here it takes me. Beautiful. I have here video, photo and all. I don't know if you've seen what I mean. Let me show you. I have your video, photo, all in the sense that both video and photos are in this place. So when you click on this video tab, you have only videos lined up. When you click on photo tab, it's only photos lined up. And you click on all, it's both videos and photos. Okay, so right now here we are in video. You've seen this blank, the very first one, the very first box there is blank. That means that one is not, it's a blank video in case you need a blank background, not a picture, not a video, not nothing, you understand? So it's just a blank video. Yeah, a blank background. You can click on it. So right now I'm going to click on that one. Let's start with that, the blank background. Okay, it's blank and it's black. Since it's blank, so I click on it. Oh, sorry, I marked it. You know, you can as well mark as many. if you want to. But right now we are not doing that. Oh, sorry. Right now we are not doing that. You can even trim to the size you want before you do it. But right now that's not what we are doing. So we go. Where is it? Sorry. Okay, so we go. Okay, sorry. It will actually mark. It's been long I entered in short. Seriously. So I almost forgot, or I have forgotten. I've been using other applications of recent. So that's it. That means it actually have to tick here. Then you come down here where you have this green button. Let me see, show us. Yes. You can see this green button down where this arrow is facing. That's with that tick. That's where you click to confirm that you're going for that video alone. You can tick as many, like I said, then confirm it down there. So we confirm now, and here we are. This is how the page will look like. You can see it's black, it's dark. That's the area. The area there is from here. You can see that rectangle there. That's the area, and it's dark. So you can decide to change the background. If you don't want it just to be just blank like that, you can still decide to change it or give it another color if you don't want black. Okay, how do you do that? You come down to this place, to these tools. Yeah, all the tools. Sorry, this thing is getting. Yeah, all the tools down here. I'm scrolling, if you can see. So you find where we have background. That is background. I'm seeing over there. Here is background. So I'm going to click on background. I'm going to click on background. Here are the colors of different backgrounds you can choose. Choose any color of background you want. Any of them. As I click on them, you can see it's changing. It's changing. It's changing. You can as well come down here and choose any gradients, mixed colors. You can see that. Beautiful ones. I love this. I love this. I love this. Different. Or patterns. You can see patterns down here too. You can see them. I love this. So just choose anyone depending on what you want to design or what you like. Just choose anyone. Right now, I think, what should I be designing? Apart from that, you can also choose photos. Maybe you change your mind, you don't want it to be blank again. You can still come here and choose any picture for the background. Coming, I'll show us where. You can also come here. You can see that where I'm pointing. Photos. That's photo icon. And choose any photo you want. Okay. Which photo should I choose? I think I like this one. Where did I even get this photo? I can't remember, but most times my photos download in my WhatsApp without me knowing. Alright, so this is it. I have this photo now. I can decide to blur it since it's my background. I might not want it to be this sharp. So here are different places, different types of blur you can use. I hope you've seen it. Those are different types of blurs you can use. There's many. So you just be clicking on them to choose the one we want. Just watch and see. All right, those are there. They are becoming blurrer. Can go back to the extreme, the blurrest. Okay. I think I'll go for this one. It's not too blur. It's not also sharp. At least it will not distract the right top I might want to make on top. This one is too blur, so I'll remain here. Okay, I like this. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so when you're done choosing, be this color, whatever pattern, or this photo, I'll go for the photo and not the colors. So you just come over here and click OK. This tick button means OK, I am done. Wherever you are and you see this click button, or this tick button, sorry, know that it means OK, I am done. So when you're done with that, you say OK. It goes. Now you can see our video. This black. Okay, I didn't mention this, but it has turned that. Okay, let me come. See how I achieve this thing so that we can see down there, down below, down below. Okay, can you just look down here and see this rectangle down? We can see it, right? Yep, this rectangle here. Yes, that rectangle. Just watch and see what I'll do with it. From the beginning here to the end of the rectangle, that means that's the length of our video. If you want it to be longer, just hold and press this edge, this other edge, or this other edge. From now, I'm dragging it from the uh, back edge. You can see I'm dragging it, extending it. So you can see the length of our video now I've extended. I can still shorten it if I want. Shorten it if I want. Shorten it if I want. It's getting shorter. Back to shape. Back. You can see now. So this is the play button. And you've gotten what you want, or whatever it is you want. But to always check on what you're doing, you should always click the play button here. That's the play button. When it's playing, you see pause, you play, you can pause it or stop it. So I'm clicking on it right now. You see the line down here is moving. It's moving. That means it's playing to the end of it. Okay, you can see it. It was playing. I've gone back again. While it's playing, just watch. While it's playing, just watch this area. Sorry, let me take that part. Just watch this rectangle down here. When I click the play button, just watch the rectangle here. That's the play area, or should I say the video length. Just watch how it is moving. Let me go to the front and then click on play. You can see it's moving till it gets to the end of that video. The video cannot go more than that. Like I've told us, if you want to extend it, just click on that rectangle again. See, it's highlighted. You click by the edge and drag. You see that the video is increasing. You can also see the number of minutes, seconds, hours of your video down here, down this extreme, just extreme at the down. You see where you have 0.1, 0.5. That is 10 minutes, 5 seconds, 0 hours. I don't know if you saw it, but these tools is actually covering that place. How do I even shift this one? I will get to find out. Just look down here, down there. When I remove this, okay, that's it. All right, let's forge ahead. I would like to make a video ad. I was planning on doing a free tutorial on paper crafts. Maybe I'll use this opportunity to create one short ad for it. All right, this is the background. It's perfect. That is even a lady with hair band. It's nice. It's still craft. Okay. So I'll start by, do I want the write-up to start at the very beginning? I might not want, so I might just click, and shift it a bit. I don't know if you've seen. I moved the rectangle a bit. Or just click at play. When it plays to the extent you want, you click at pause. It will stop there. Or use your hand to shift it by just clicking and dragging. Just shift it in the middle, not at the extreme. When you want to shift, is at the middle. But when you want to extend the video, is at the extreme. You will drag extreme here. You can see I'm extending the video. But if I want to just shift to maybe a particular point in the video, I will have to just touch the middle of the, what should I even say, the middle of the video. I over touched now. Just touch the middle of the video and shift it. All right, that's it. Beautiful. So now let's forge ahead and start putting our write-ups. I think this video is getting too long. 53. Because it's getting too long. So I would like to stop it here and forge ahead. I'll see you in the next class. In the next class, we'll be talking on how to start adding the write-ups. So basically, this one is how to create your background video, or the background for your video. can see it. All right, thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.